In today's chart of the day, we showcase the weak correlation between monsoon and stock market return. Now, if you go back to last 8 years, there were as many as 4 years with weak or deficient monsoons. However, the stock market delivered positive returns in those years. Now, if you go back to 2009, where the deficiency was as high as 19%, Nifty delivered a gain of as much as 76%. This happened after it had lost as much as 52% in 2008 due to ongoing subprime crisis. That's our chart of the day. This is Bhavesh Chauhan for Bloomberg Quint.